Everyone has a preferred way of storing parts and tools as a way to maintain their quality, as well as save you time while on the job. I'm Elle Rottinghaus, and this Zips 360 is all about the Stellar Industries toolboxes. All of their drawer systems are custom-made in the USA, engineered to fit your truck's compartment. They're manufactured of heavy-duty galvanized steel and rated to hold up to 500 pounds to support heavy tools and other equipment. They utilize a unique key-locking chrome-plated T-handle. This feature provides a one-handed operation and conceals the latch mechanism for heavy-duty protection. Each drawer includes removable front-to-back dividers with a top shelf and bolt-on risers. The metal edges of the drawers and top shelf are hemmed or folded over for added strength and safety. Available with ranges from 2 up to 8 drawers and overall sizes ranging from 12 to 48 inches wide and 7.5 to 41 inches tall. For those of you in the towing, recovery, and service industries, the Stellar 10-drawer toolbox system is specifically designed for Miller heavy-duty integrated wreckers and Zips road service bodies. It has a total weight of 270 pounds. Please note that this size is not permissible on rotator bodies. Stellar Industries toolboxes come standard in the gray powder-coated front panels. If you want a more custom look to match your fleet's signature colors, you can special order from the color options of white, blue, yellow, red, and black. Stellar Industries offers a lifetime warranty on slides, handles, and latches. Order your custom-made Stellar Industries toolbox on zips.com.